vibe. That's the vibe, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be detangling this hair on camera, guys. Like, I've been putting this off for days because I knew it was gonna take me mad long, okay? But we have a new handy dandy detangling brush. It's called the Easy Detangler. So I have it in the pink color. Shout out to my cousin. She actually got this for me because I was complaining to her that my hair is so hard to detangle. They say if you have thicker hair, you use the second row. So I'm gonna be inserting these to like hold it in place. Also say that you're supposed to brush vertically and then horizontally. So I'm gonna be doing that in today's video. But before I start detangling my hair, I'm going to separate my hair into sections. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply some oil. So I have a mixture of oils in there. I'm going to apply some conditioner. So I'm gonna start detangling from the bottom. So because my hair is like very tangled, I'm gonna add water. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, my hair is like a 10. So yeah. So now it's going through way better. Okay, hold on. Let me get the bottom some more. Okay. What? Nah, this got to be a joke. No, this is a real life joke. No way. I'm not jacking it. Like, there's no way. There's no way. Let me get my roots, because I could never really get my roots because my hair be so tangled. But what? Guys, look at this. When could a 4C hair do this? Since when? So now I'm going to show you guys how I did the front of my hair. So I'm splitting my hair into different sections and then working piece by piece because that's the most effective way to detangle. So now I'm applying some oil. You just want to get that in really good, and then you apply your conditioner and you sing a song, you know, because this can take a long time and you might get really bored. So I'm adding more conditioner because I felt like my hair needed it. So you just need to gauge your own hair. If it feels a little dry, just add more conditioner, more water, whatever you need to have a nice slip on your hair, do that. So now I start detangling at the bottom and then I'm working my way up. So once the bottom of your hair is detangled really well, it should be way easier to get the top part of your hair. I don't know why the ends of our hair gets more tangled than anywhere else. But once you get through the bottom, like I said, it should be smooth sailing. So I'm being a little bit dramatic in this clip. It hurt a little bit, but nothing that's gonna kill you, okay? Nothing. So I'm just doing another slow-mo clip right here of me running the brush through my hair and my hair bouncing right back. After that, I'm twisting my hair in a 2-strand twist. My preference is twist, but if you like to do like braids, you can do that. Do whatever you want to do. It's your hair. But I'm just showing you guys what I like to do with mine. So now I'm taking the middle piece out, and then I'm going to follow up with my same routine. So conditioner, I know I added oil before. It's oil, conditioner, then water, I believe. But I sped up some of the clips so you guys won't be seeing everything, but I showed you how to do it in the beginning. So now I'm just detangling again, and you guys know the deal. Take it from the end, then to the middle, then to the top, and you should be good. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how easy it was to comb through my hair again. Like, so I'm back, guys, and I'm all done detangling my hair. I am super satisfied. Super satisfied. I'm glad I got this brush. I'm so happy I have it. Because before I met you, Lord, detangling was a problem. Like, I love this brush. It's amazing. It detangles my hair so well, and I have thick, long, 4C hair. It was flimsy, but in a good way. Like, it would like move with your hair type stuff. But because I put this in, it's more sturdy. I liked putting the lock on the second row because I didn't even need to try the first row. The second row just went through my hair perfectly. Overall, I would give this a 10. Honestly, I'm giving it a 10. Like, I have no complaints, like none whatsoever. It's my favorite color. It detangles my hair well. It does it quick enough for me. Like, I don't care about how long it took me. It probably took me like 35 minutes, but that's good for my hair. My hair used to take me like an hour to detangle, like no joke, and it would never be this clean, like easy or detangled. Like, I would never be able to just run my hand through my hair. Never. Like, never. Like, never. Like, I would never be able to run my fingers through my hair unless it was like blow dried and straightened. And now it's in its natural state and I could run my fingers through my hair. Just go get this brush. Just get it. Just copy it and follow me. Also, don't forget to comment on the video and like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I have more videos regarding hair care coming your way. So if you guys want to see my wash day next, subscribe, like, and turn on that bell. That's gonna be like the next video. Okay? You're gonna see what wash day looks like. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.